because away from Indonesia. We've been having this conversation. Now you can maybe start to understand what I'm talking about. We cannot continue just becoming a flash point for imported edible oils. We can do it ourselves here. And no matter how much stones are thrown out there, no matter what, but I will never relent. And let this be a message to those people. Why I am cocky and why I am sort of arrogant on this issue of edible oils is because I have options and I have a better option. And that option is partners who are going to help us to support our farmers and to work on the complete value chain. You've heard Indonesia stopped exporting raw minerals a long time ago, and their GDP has risen tremendously. So that is really what we want to replicate here and on our minerals, on our agriculture, through our agriculture consolidation and aggregation and value addition and agro processing. We will learn from Indonesia on how to do that.